positive, negative
It's
1.
2, negative 1, and 1, negative 1. So this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Now you are looking for the slope. So m, which is the slope, is calculated as y2 minus y1 over x1, x2 minus
S2
x1.
plus S1.
So your x2, no, your y2 is
Is negative 1.
negative 1 minus y1 is what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So you see that I put that bracket there.
Yeah.
All over your x2 is what?
S2 is 1.
X2 is 1 minus your x1 is what?
S1 is 2.
2. So you have, so now let's now do what's up here. So minus bracket minus is that's negative minus negative times negative. That's what?
Plus.
Plus. So that's minus 1 plus what?
Plus
1.
1.
All over 1 minus 2 is what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is what?
Minus 1 plus 1. Negative, positive is negative, right?
No, this now this is a not multiplication. So this is not.
Okay.
If you notice, I didn't put any bracket here.
Okay, that's where I get confused with this
Ah,
thing. So that would be negative 2.
okay. Now hold on. This is negative 1. Negative 1 is just like you are owing $1, right? Then
Yes.
positive. It's like you are having $1 in your pocket. You're having it in your pocket. Now the person you're owing that $1
Collect
comes
your
to collect that $1 from you. So what do you have in your pocket?
You have $0.
0. So that means 0 is the answer.
Oh,
So you can use that analogy to help
wow.
in calculating positive addition of positive and negative values. I hope that's clear.
Yeah, so can you do this now? Let's say negative
Okay.
4 plus 5 will be what?
Okay. So negative 4 plus 5. So in the same analogy, you are owing someone $4 and you
Okay.
have $5 in your pocket.
The
Now the
person
person
collects
comes to
$4.
collect $4. That remains how much in your pocket?
$1.
$1. So the answer is 1.
Oh. Okay, because plus and negative and plus, the way she taught us, if I remember,
Yeah.
is negative minus 4 plus 5.
Yeah.
That you minus it and it will take the sign of the larger number. I
Okay.
think that's what she used to say.
Okay. So there are different ways of explaining this thing. You
This
can
is where
also
I have so much confusion,
now
honestly.
this can be rearranged this way. Now, anytime you see a number without a sign,
That's positive.
it's positive. So I can actually rearrange this thing to be 5 and put this 4 in after the 5. So minus 4. 5 minus 4 is what?
It's 1.
You see that? You just got the answer easily upon rearrangement. You can use rearrangement to confirm your answer. Or you can also
Okay.
use the owing and having money. All right, so back to this one here. So this is 0, right? 0 over minus 1. Now 0 over anything is what? When you have 0 over something, 0 over minus
It's
1
0.
is 0. So your final answer here is actually 0. So it's not supposed to be minus 0.